At the end of this media, you will be able to understand about inductors. Inductor is a passive element used in electrical circuits because of its inductance property. This inductance value is measured in terms of Henry. When a certain length of a copper wire is wound on air core or ferromagnetic material, then the object is known as an inductor. The ferromagnetic material has higher permeability. When the current is passing through this coil, it produces a magnetic field around it. Thus, a magnetic flux is generated on the coil. Hence, inductance can also be defined as the ratio between the flux linkage and the current in the coil. Flux linkage is the product of number of turns and flux. Therefore, the inductance L equal to N phi divided by I. If you substitute the values for n equal to 1, phi equal to 1 and I equal to 1 in the above equation, you will get the inductance value as L equal to 1 Henry. If a current of 1 ampere is passed through the coil, it produces a magnetic flux linkage of 1 Weber. The coil is then said to have an inductance of 1 Henry. It is a very large value, hence for practical purposes we are using millihenry or microhenry to measure the inductance value. Applications. Inductors are most commonly used in analog and signal processing circuits. Inductors are also used in turn circuits to remove unwanted signals. It is also used in transmission lines to limit switched and false currents. It is also referred as reactor. Thus, you have learnt about inductors.
We'll be right back.